Hey everyone, I'm going to be unboxing this new StrikeMaster lithium 40 volt Ice Auger that I just picked up. It's new for the 2017 season, so I'm pretty excited to use this on the weekend. So I thought I'd open her up and take a look at everything that comes with this nice unit. Here's the flight. Comes with an 8-inch flight. Standard. We got a cover for it as well. I do have a StrikeMaster as well, gas powered one. So I have a 10-inch flight for that one, so I'll probably give it a whirl trying to use the 10-inch on there as well. Just gonna pause this for a second so I can pull this out. Here's a look at everything that comes with. You get yourself a StrikeMaster lithium 40 volt battery charger. Comes standard. So I'll just pack in. And that's the head unit. Power switch. And then forward and reverse switches here. Slug looking unit. And on this side, you can see there's the switch for operating the auger and the two lights, LED lights that it comes with. And they got a spot for the Allen key as well. And here's one of the battery packs that it comes with. And the secondary battery. So in my next video, I'll probably post a video of how well it works on the ice. I'll be heading out to the lake on Lake Winnipeg. Thanks for watching. And one last little update is I did find another Allen key inside the box. I'm not sure if they all come with two Allen keys. So if you do pick one up, just make sure you got them both.